Grand Rising, my fellow elevators. We are all on elevation mode. Fear and procrastination is not welcome in the book of elevation. Each day, we all live. We all breathe. A gift from our Heavenly Father. If your heart is beating, you are living. You are alive. Have no fear. Fear and procrastination will not interrupt nor participate any of my daily evolution of quotas of life. I want to say this to all my fellow elevators. Remove the block and continue to elevate. Fear and procrastination combined equals a stack of piled up work. There is no need to uninstall any work that's installed. The only thing fear accomplishes is nothing but stand still, being stuck, stagnated, with no movement. The opinions of others in this world, elevators, there are some that will understand you and some that won't. This form will overpower that won't. So in this sense, do not let people's opinions affect and stop your process and develop growth. Remember, time does not stop, but only continues to tick. The environment changes every second. So to all my fellow elevators, you got this. Continue to create and elevate. Can't, cannot, cannot. Same meaning. Can't is a contraction and is in form of contraction of the word cannot. Cannot. The ability that you can, but you don't allow yourself to execute the mission. What purpose does this action serve? Especially adding not to the end of can. Cannot. One is saying yes, one is saying no. Can, yes, I can. Not, absolutely not. No, when combined. So remember, cannot isn't in the equation. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. To all my fellow elevators, let's continue to elevate, succeeding. Peace and blessings to all.